ang kulto is not for the moral choice, Paterno. It is the choice dictated by the cult leader. And this is the problem. If we have a cult with 3 million members, 5 million members who do not think for themselves, that is a problem. And if you have a cult that tells a senator, a mayor, a congressman, if you want to win the election, you have to be on our side. That is a cult. A real church will ask the people to pray and to discern and seek the will of God and to seek the good of the people. Yan po ang problema natin. Salamat, Ate Melba. Ikaw yung kauna-unahang nagsabi ng pangalan ng kulto. Ayoko pong manguna, pero papangalawahan ko na po. Ang Iglesia ni Cristo po, nananawagan ako sa lahat ng kapatid sa Iglesia ni Cristo, magdasal, mag-isip, pumili kayo ng tama, huwag lang kayo makinig sa dikta ni Manalo. It is, kung ang pangalan ng simbahan nyo, Iglesia ni Cristo, pray, listen, seek the will of God through His Son, Jesus Christ. Thank you.